Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. Open your TikTok app. First, you need to search the TikTok account you want to recover and go to the profile. Then you need to take a screenshot of that account. After that, go back and now you need to go to the profile of the account you are currently logged in. Here you can find these three lines in the top right corner. So tap on it. Now you need to go to this settings and privacy option in here. Scroll down and here you can find this report problem option under the support and about. So tap on that to report your problem. Then you need to click on this feed, search, share in here. And next you need to tap on this other option under the feed. Now you need to go to more help option. Here you need to type that you want to recover your TikTok account but you don't have any your previous email and phone numbers. Type the same as I am typing here. After that, here you need to upload the screenshot you taken earlier. So tap on this photo icon and select a screenshot you took earlier and upload it. Finally, you need to tap on this submit button. After that, TikTok will contact you within 2 or 3 days. Then surely you will get your TikTok account back. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.